Good day, guys and girls. Do you have a standard white framed screen door like this one? You're looking to spruce it up? Super cheap and super easy. Well, stick around. I promise you it's going to take no special tools at all. Not really a lot of talent or skill. Just the steps that are involved with this video to follow, and you'll have something that is the envy of your friends and neighbors. I promise you. So stick around. Alright guys and girls, so if you've been following along with the channel, you'd see the other door that's in behind the screen door. Look at that one. Nice painted door, nice glass insert, looks awesome, but the screen door just doesn't match it. But we can fix that, and we've still got some paint from when we painted that front door, so we'll be able to paint everything to match.